Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to custom repaint the Marvel Legends Juggernaut na action figure. So check muna natin yung mga joints. Okay naman. Thank you very much, seller from... Yeah, I met him sa Facebook Marketplace. Nakita ko yung post niya and nagpadala rin siya. Actually, kailangan ko lang talaga yung Colossus dito. Pero set niya binibenta, so kinuha ko na rin si Juggernaut. So check muna natin yung figure and make sure na walang mga dust para pag nag-spray tayo ng Boss ni number 191 flat clear, kakapit siya dun sa surface. And also, if you spray this na matte na clear, magkakaroon siya ng adhesive layer so that our paints will stick to the surface. Yan, then na tayo mag-spray, meron na siyang matte finish dun sa surface. Okay, so yung concept na gagawin natin dito, it's a comic book paint style of repaint. So first, mag-apply muna tayo ng mga darks or mga shadows using Hero Paints. Thank you very much, Hero Paints, for sponsoring this video. Let's add black and brick red. Yan, yung guide natin doon sa shadows, yun yung mga creases doon sa action figures kung saan nagbi-meet yung dalawang um, large na surfaces. Tapos yung brush na ginagamit ko dito, it's a large round brush. Siguro mga number 8 siguro to. Para sakop agad natin yung real estate ng action figure. So let's do broad strokes, medium strokes, and fine strokes. So yun yung technique na gagawin natin dito sa figure. And also, dun sa brush strokes na ginagawa ko, very ano siya, pressure sensitive. So meaning kapag naglapat ako ng paint, high pressure muna and then low pressure para mag-create ng stroke ng brush stroke dun sa surface. It's very intentional. And mas makikita nyo dito sa na lighter paint. So dito naman nag-add na tayo na first layer of highlights. I'm using white paint and brick red na mixture para dito. So yun, flick ko lang, flicking motion yung ginagawa ko dito para very gestural yung finish. Okay, next naman, let's go a little bit lighter again. So let's add more white dun sa paint. And yung last na paint na gagamitin natin dito, yung white with ultra coverage. Yan. Yan. Tapos yung for the line art naman, we are going to use black primer. And then I'm using a finer brush. Ito yung movements naman natin dito. Very fine na kasi ito na yung last na face. Nasa ano na tayo, finishing touches na tayo dito. Yan. Pagtapos na yung line art, spray with Bosny Flat Clear. Yun din yung primer na ginamit natin kanina. And then we are done. This is it. Ito na yung ating Juggernaut Marvel Legends custom repainted na action figure. And thank you very much din sa seller dahil meron akong extra na Juggernaut kasi yung kailangan ko lang talaga yung Colossus for a client work. And also for sale din to for $240 or 14,000 pesos only. So yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much, Hero Paints and yung seller. Thank you Hero Paints for always sponsoring our video for custom repaints. So marami pa tayong gagawin projects together. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.